We maintain and keep up with all the vehicles that are running through the city, from bucket trucks to dump trucks to street sweepers. We maintain all equipment. We try to keep these vehicles going because if not, the city can't run. Hi, I'm Chris Moncus with the City of Tallahassee Fleet Management. We are in Shop 4. This is the medium heavy-duty truck shop, which we maintain all the electric trucks, from bucket trucks to derrick diggers, especially on the booms on the electric trucks. Doing PMs, just visual inspect things, check for leaks, check your hoses. Just check your air tamers, slack adjusters, make sure nothing's missing or broken. Suspension, leaf springs, differentials, check for leaks. I mean, for someone starting out, it can be a little nerve-wracking, but I mean, once you get used to everything, it'll come second nature once you learn. We do a visual inspection of all the lights. Good there. Good, good. A lot of times we're looking for any type of body damage, any cracks in the frame. These trucks go through a lot of stress, so if it can go wrong, it will. For instance, one of the bucket trucks here, they go out working the high line or they get the truck stuck. They try to pull it out, break the axle, or I mean, they go through good stress tests every day. So it can become a headache, but once it's fixed, you can relax and say you've done your job. I moved to Tallahassee and got the opportunity to work with the city. Took the opportunity, it has been a great choice. The City of Tallahassee is the greatest place to work at, and the people here are awesome. And I get to do extra stuff with the city, help maintain and operate on the Christmas float, and also I get to go on storm duty. This year I made it to Louisiana for the ice storm in February. I was there for 2 weeks. Doing that, get a lot of gratification helping people, and just being here every day is a blessing. As a mechanic, I love to show up, work on vehicles. I've done that my whole life, and I just love it.